Do you use any gadgets on your daily basis?
Yes, I do. I use laptop and smartphone. I have planned to buy a tablet, as you know, because its screen is bigger than screen of smartphone, and it's also good for my eyes.
How often would you surf the internet?
I surf on the internet every single day for working and searching for news. I usually do it in my free time. I can log into Facebook and chat with my friends on social media or entertainment. At work, I can use the internet to use some website to work with my colleagues.
Alright.
So, do you have own a computer? If so, how often do you use it? And generally, for what purpose?
Well, of course, I possess a laptop and use it for many purposes, such as for work, for learning, and for entertainment. I used to bring it to work and then bring it at home, and I can use it in the evening to learn English.
So, how computers affect our everyday life?
Well, I think in a positive way, they will help us so many things, starting from writing and printing our own essay. If you don't have them, I think you will have a little bit of trouble in your work.
What is the most impactful piece of technology in everyday life?
Well, in my point of view, the internet is the most important technological advance of our time. It gives us so many opportunities to discover everything that we want to know about our world. You just need to turn on your computer and go online. That's it. And you will do everything easily.